everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 30th to the 30th of September 2021 on Monday. The Tikana family prepare themselves for court while Cobra find themselves sinking deeper into corruption on Tuesday. The case is underway and it seems like there might be light at the end of the tunnel. Cobra is upset when he sees the present from the other woman on Wednesday. Lindwe grabs onto hope, but fear grabs onto her. Angelina gets the wrong idea and run with it on Thursday. The Tikanas are ready to give up when a mom suspect emerges and unlikely Ali saves Cobra from Angelina's wrath on Friday. The noose around Andile's neck tightens even more while Cobra's double life catches up with him. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.